Hello everyone. So today we are going to make a mark sheet using some of the formulas of Excel. Now Excel is well known for many of its formulas, but we are going to study today some basic formulas that we could use in order to make the mark sheet of students. So at the top of it I have written the name of the school, then here is the serial number till 1 to 20 students, the name of the students, then the marks that they have scored in the three subjects, that is English, Maths and Science. Now, next column that we have here is total. So, what is the total marks that we need to do? So, suppose for Ram, his total is 85 plus 75 plus 84. Now, one way is we could do it manually, but Excel, we need to use some formulas. So, here we'll be using some formula. So, first we'll write is equal to sum, then we'll click on tab button. We'll be selecting these three columns that we need to add up, and then we'll again press tab. So here we got the total of the marks of Lakshman and Ram in all the three subjects. So now another next way, if we want the total of Mohan marks, we could apply the same formula similarly, and then we could select these and press tab. We'll get the marks. So instead of doing this for each student, what we can do is we could select this column, complete column, and then we could press Ctrl D. So by this way the whole formula, the same formula is dragged down till the bottom. So if we see, suppose this cell, so here is the summation of C11 till CE, E11. So by Ctrl D we drag down the formula to all the cells. Now next formula. Now how do we calculate the percentage of these marks? What we'll do, we'll press is equal to the total marks divided by the maximum marks, that are is 300, because it's three subjects, that is out of 100 the marks are given, and then we multiply it by 100 for calculating the percentage. So therefore he scored 81.3% in total. Similarly, in order to copy the formula for all the students, we'll select all these columns and then we'll press Ctrl D. The same formula would be dragged up. Now next formula. Now we want to know whether the person passed in the exam or he failed. So whoever student who got more than 39 marks, he passed, otherwise he failed. So we'll here be using if function, that is we'll do is equal to if, press tab button, then logical text, that is if his percentage marks are greater than 39, then value if it's true, then he would pass, otherwise value he would fail. So we'll be seeing the formula once again. If function, first of all we need to write, it has three basic divisions. First is the logical text, which is this one, that is if he has scored marks greater than 39, then he would pass, otherwise fail. So whether the value true, in that we have written pass, and if the value is false, that if he hasn't passed, then we want him to write fail. We will press enter. So since he got 81.3% marks, which is greater than 39, therefore he passed. Similarly, we'll drag down the same formula, Control D, and here we got whether the person passed or failed. Now here I have added, okay, so earlier I have added the conditional formatting, that is we want in this column, wherever it is written fail, it should be highlighted by a red color. So what we'll do, we'll select this whole column and then we'll go to conditional formatting. Okay, then we'll click on highlight cell rules. Afterwards, we'll click on text that contains. So we'll write the text that contains fail custom format. Yeah, so we'll go to fill and we'll click on red. That is person who have failed. Wherever it is written failed, there it should be uh, that column should be filled by red color. So with this we know that Sohan has failed, Priya has failed, and Bharat has failed. Now, what else we could do? Like another thing that we could do is merge and center. That is, this is the name of the school. What we'll do, we click on merge and center, and see it comes in the middle. The other things that we could do to make our mark sheet presentable is we could select the whole column, then we'll go to borders and add borders all over. Yeah. So this is the mark sheet of the whole class, and we know who person have passed and who all have failed. So with this, we created a mark sheet and we learned all the formulas, that is sum, how to create a calculate percentage, how to use the if function, conditional formatting, merge and center, and certain formatting tools we have learned today in the class. Thank you so much.